Hello viewers, welcome to the class for today. Today we are solving quadratic equation for year 8 math. That's by factorization, and also we'll be looking at expanding and simplifying algebraic expressions. You can subscribe to this channel. My student join the class right now. So let's see. Okay. How are you today?
Good.
Alright, you're welcome to the class. Send me your assignment.
Okay.
Alright, so we're going to continue shortly. So, solving the equation, we have to create 4 times, like I said. We'll multiply this. That's 2 times minus 5, that's minus 10. Then two numbers you multiply together to give you minus 10, and you add together to give you minus 3. So that's no, not minus, 2 times minus 5. If you add them, you get negative 10. If you multiply them rather, you get negative 10. And if you add them, you get negative 3. If you add, that's 2 plus negative 5 will give us negative 3. So the two numbers, which are 2 and minus 5, we replace the middle number. Then we have 2x squared plus 2x, then minus 5x, then minus 5 equal to 0. So the minus 5 is still there, the 2x squared is still there. So it's only the negative 3x that is no more there, but if you add this, you get it. So we have 2x is common to these two terms here. So 2x into this is x plus 1. Then negative 5 is common to these two terms. We now have minus 5 into x plus 1 also. So that if you open this bracket by multiplying, it's going to give you the things that are here. And if you open this bracket by multiplying, it's going to give you the things that are here. So equal to 0. Then we now say since x plus 1 is common to the two sides separated by minus, then we say x plus 1. Then into another bracket of 2x minus 5 equal to 0. So either this one is 0 or this one is 0. That is when you can multiply the two brackets to get 0. So say x plus 1. Let me see. X plus 1 equal to 0, or 2x minus 5 equal to 0. So we say x equals to negative 1 or 2x equal to positive 5. So x remain negative 1 here, or x equal to 5 over 2, which in turn we say x equals to minus 1 or 2.5, or let's say 2.5, which is 2.5. If you divide this, you get 2.5. So is that clear?
Yeah.
So you almost get it. In fact, you got this aspect, which is okay, and you got it up to this place, which is okay. It's the factorization that went wrong. So if this happens to be 5 marks, you could get 2 out of 5.
By the way, in math, we're doing a new topic, the
Yeah,
Pythagoras Theorem.
Pythagoras Theorem.
Yeah.
Pythagoras Theorem. Okay, write down your corrections.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna look at that immediately after now. All right, so let's look at this Pythagoras theorem now. To use Pythagoras theorem, To use Pythagoras theorem, you need to have right angle triangle. Is that clear?
Yes.
If you have any other kind of triangle like this, or you know, like just in any form like this or something, you might not be able to use Pythagoras theorem unless you can bring out right angle triangle from that given triangle. Is that clear?
Yes.
And probably you now have 90 degrees. Hold on, please.
Okay.
Excuse me. So, and if you divide it, probably you have something like this too. And if it's just going to give you a kind of um, right angle stuff here, okay? Or maybe
Mm.
this place too, and so on. So, and the Pythagoras theorem states that the hypotenuse square equal to opposite square plus adjacent square, which literally is saying that this side, square of
Wait,
this
where?
side,
Sorry.
square of this side equal to the sum of the other two sides.
Yeah. The way we labeled it in my class was
Yeah.
the hypotenuse is the opposite side from the right angle, and the shorter sides are A and B. That's how we label.
Okay. What you're trying to say is that the hypotenuse will face the right angle, right?
Yes.
That's correct. Okay.
Okay.
Then, if you have an angle here, just learn this for now. If you have an angle here, there's a line that faces the angle. This line, that's the opposite. Okay.
Okay.
So hypotenuse is not referred to as opposite because when you get to the further level and you begin to use what they call trigonometric ratios, which is so katoa, that is when you will need to use opposite, and hypotenuse would never be referred to as opposite. Opposite is always opposite. That is the O you see here. This is hypotenuse, okay?
Okay.
And this is adjacent. Is that clear?
Yes.
A for adjacent, H for hypotenuse, and O for opposite. So that is something you need to bear in mind. We will not go through that now, but that is the next thing after Pythagoras theorem. So opposite, this will be opposite. If that angle is at the top here, okay, while the other one will just be the adjacent. The line that joins the angle to right angle is the adjacent, okay?
Okay.
So even if I flip this triangle, let me flip this particular shape. Oh no, I want to copy it and flip. Okay, if I rotate it right, does it change where my opposite is? No.
Mm.
Okay, it's
Okay.
still where it is, but the eye just changed the direction. So if I change it right again, you can see right.
Yeah.
So no matter where the uh where the something, but if I put another angle, that's angle theta at the top or wherever it is. If I put angle alpha here, angle alpha. So to angle alpha, we need another opposite and another adjacent, okay?
Okay.
So if I'm considering angle alpha, this is the opposite. Is that clear? So this will
Yeah.
become opposite, and definitely the line that join alpha to right angle is now adjacent, okay?
Mm.
So this will now be, so that means opposite and adjacent can switch positions when it comes to talking about the angles, okay?
Okay.
Just bear that in mind. But for this purpose, we don't need all those details. All we just need to know is that, okay, the hypotenuse side, square of the hypotenuse equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So that if you see any question, you will know what to do. We're going to continue shortly. Meanwhile, you can jot down what is on the board. Okay?
Okay.
All right, let's continue. Okay.
Okay.
This is our first example. Whenever you see anything like this, even if nothing is written on top of it, you have to find the unknown side, okay?
Okay.
So we're finding what?
B.
B. Find the value of B. Okay, so based on the formula, we just say 17 square equal to 15 square plus B square. So to get your B, all you need to do is to subtract. So you say 17 square minus 15 square will leave us with B square. So what is 17 square?
Um. And plus.
What is 15 square? Equals to B square. So what is, subtract this and tell me your answer. What is 2?
64.
64. Okay. So to find this, what number are you going to square to get 64?
2.
No. What number are you going
Um.
to square to get 64? The
Um.
B square equal to 8 square, right?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
square cancels square. So what is B?
It's
8 centimeters, right? Right?
is
Okay, good. We should not forget to put the unit in the final answer. So B equal to 8 centimeters. Is that clear?
yes.
Okay, put it down before we do another example. When you're putting it down, you draw the shape, okay, and you label it with the numbers and the units, okay. Then you now write down the
Okay.
solution.
Mhm.
All right, we'll continue shortly. All right, so if that triangle is a right angle triangle, then what do you call this second one?
Right angle triangle.
Okay, I thought you were going to say left angle triangle because it's facing the left. Okay, so let's look at this one. In this time, we're looking for hypotenuse. The first time we were not looking for hypotenuse; it was just one of the other sides we were looking for. But this time, our job is pretty straightforward since it's hypotenuse we're looking for, and hypotenuse is always facing right angle, or maybe we say it's the longest side. Fine. Now we have x squared equal to 8 squared plus 6 squared. So x squared is 64 plus, what is 64 plus 36? 100.
Um.
So what number are you going to square to give you 100? That's 10, right?
Then
So we
yes.
can say x equal to square root of 100, okay? Then x is 10. There's no unit because it didn't give us any unit. You know, in the other one, I didn't use square root, right?
Yes.
I only said, okay, what can I square? And I squared it. Then, since there's a square, then I cancel the square to say b equals to 8. It's still the same thing. I could have said um, b equal to square root of 64. And square root of 64 will be what? 8.
It's
So b will be 8 centimeters. Just so it's not compulsory you put this in as much as you can explain it. Okay, put this down, draw the shape, and write the solution. Then we'll continue.
okay.
Yeah, we'll continue shortly. something called Pythagorean triple. Okay,
Okay.
Pythagorean triples. It has to do with Pythagoras Theorem or right angle triangle. Any three numbers that can serve as the measures of this triangle, they are Pythagorean triples. For example, if this place is 4 or this place is 3 and 4, this one must be 5. So 3, 4, and 5 are what? Pythagorean triples. Okay.
Pythagoras law. Triples.
And if this place is 13 and this place is 5, hold on, I think I should switch those numbers, or I should even rather make this obviously, something like this. Good. Let one be obviously longer than the other at the base there. So, like I said, if this is 4 while this is 3, this must be 5. Okay. So I can say 3,
Okay.
4, 5 are what? Pythagorean triples. Let me say examples of Pythagorean triples. Please don't write, just listen. Now, if what I have here is 12 and this place is 5, okay, this
Okay.
must definitely be 13. So that means 5, 12, and 13 are what? Pythagorean triples. Okay.
Okay.
Uh-huh. Now, like the one we just found, the 10, the 6, and the 8. So this place could be 8, okay? This place would be 6, while this place must be 10. Is that clear?
Yes.
That means what? 6, 8, and what? 10 are Pythagorean triples. And if you check the first one, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, they look like multiples. The 3, the multiple is 6, right?
Yes.
The 4, the multiple is 8. And the 5, the multiple is 10.
Must be scan.
Good. So that means you can also suspect that if you get the next multiple of 3, which is 9, okay,
Okay.
then this one, the next multiple of 8 should be what? From 4. This will be 12, right?
Okay.
And the next multiple from 10, this should be 15, right?
Yes.
So let's now check if they're equal. If you do 15 square, what was our first example? Okay, not that one. So if you do 15 square, is it going to give us 12 square plus 9 square? Let's check. What is 12 square? 144. What is 9 square? 81. Add 144 and 81. What do you get? Do you get 225? Because 15 square is going to be 225.
5. Yes, 2 to 5.
That means the multiples work. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, let me give you work to do.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm going to send this particular page to you later to write down, but let me just give you work to do. So here now, you're finding x in the first shape and you're finding b in the second shape. You draw the shapes and work out the stuff.
Okay.
That's work. All right, we're going to continue shortly. Looking at this solution right now, the first one you're finding x. What's your answer to the first one?
Um, um,
You got 20, right?
20. Yes.
And it makes sense if you look at if you put the original value. If this is 3 and this is 4, this will be 3 times 4, right? 12. And this 4 times 4, which is 12. And this will be 5 times 4, which is what?
20.
20. But it cannot always work like that. That's why we need to follow the method and say x squared equal to, let's say, x squared equal to 12 squared plus 16 squared. So x squared will be 144 plus, what is 16 squared?
And
256.
256.
So then x squared equals to 20 squared. Then x equal to 20 centimeters. Remember to put your unit next time.
Okay.
Then the other one, we said 13 square. If you check this one, it's part of the Pythagorean triple, so this place should be 12. If it's an objective, these are easy questions, okay? Exactly.
Okay.
5 squared
Yes.
plus b squared. So 169 minus 25 equals to b squared. So b squared equals to 144. B equal to 12. No unit. So you got 2 out of 2. I'm going to send this over so that your product can come over with your soda. Alright, viewers, we're going to continue shortly.
Okay.
Yeah, good morning. How are you?
Good.
Or let me say good evening. How are you? Because this should be 5 p.m. there, right? After
Yeah.
5, yeah. So this is after 7 in the morning here. Okay, let's see. Send me your homework. Were you able to do everything or some of them?
Hmm?
Did you do
Only
everything?
some of only some of them.
Okay, send it to me. Send it to me.
No, I only was able to do. Oh, I couldn't like. I couldn't figure out how to do G because it was A and R, and I didn't know how to plus A and R. I mean times A and R. So
Wait,
I wasn't able to do that one. So I did I to O.
no problem. Just send me the ones you've done so that we'll look at
Okay.
it. We're going to continue shortly. Just literally look at everything together. Okay,
Okay.
so to expand and also to simplify. So the first question, which is option G, says, okay, maybe what I'll do, just cut it. And yeah, this is the first one. So A will multiply R, that is AR, and A will multiply 7, that is 7A. A will multiply 6, that is 6A, and A will multiply 4R, that is 4AR. So if you look at this, you can see AR and 4AR. Please, are you there?
Yes.
So we can add 1AR plus 4AR. Then you can say 7A and 6A. So you say 7A plus 6A. What is 1AR plus 4AR? That is 5AR.
Okay. Yeah.
Then 7 apples plus 6 apples. That is 13 apples. That is 7A plus 6A is 13A. Okay, the second one. So this is like the first question. Let's go
Mhm.
through the second one quickly before you. G, that is H. So let me go to option H here. We cut it down here. So for question H, it says 9 times k, that is 9k. 9 times negative 4 is negative 36. Then 3 times 3k, that is also 9k. Then 3 times 1 is 3. Then we can combine the letters 9k plus another 9k. Then the numbers minus 36, then positive 3. So we have 9k plus 9k as 18k. Then minus 36 plus 3 will be minus 33 because the negatives are 36 and the positives are just 3. So 3 of the positive will remove 3 from the negatives. Then we have 33 negatives. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. Put down the two solutions first before we continue. Like this one, put down the whole thing here. and the
Yeah.
second one too. Put them at this whole thing. Then we're gonna continue from there. Right, viewers, we'll continue shortly. So we'll move on to the next questions. Like these two questions. Let me cut them to the bottom. So for okay, let me remove this. For this ones, the first part. Can you hear me?
Yes.
We have 8 times 2p. That's what? 16p. Then 8 times 2 is what?
No, 16.
No, yeah, plus 16. Then minus 8 times p is what? And minus 8 times
8p.
3. Minus 8 times 3 is what? That'll be
24.
negative 24.
Negative 24.
So 16p. Then you bring negative 8p. Then positive 16 and minus 24. So 16p minus 8p is how many p?
8p.
16 minus 24 is what?
Mm,
Minus
8.
8. Minus 8, not 8. Minus 8. Okay.
Okay.
And the next one, this one says 7 times 2q. That's 14q. 7 times negative 3 is what? Negative 21. 3 times 2q is 6q. 3 times 3 is what? 9. So 14q plus 6q minus 21 plus 9. 14 plus 6 is 20q. What is minus 21 plus 9?
No, 20, 30, I mean. Negative
No,
30.
no, no, no. Try again. You have negative 21. You have positive just 9. So what if you split this into positive two negatives like minus 12 minus 9, that's minus 21, then positive 9. So if negative 9 and positive 9 cancel, what do we have left?
12.
Is it positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative 12. Is that clear?
Yes.
So don't say 30, or you just have to. So minus 21 plus 9 is negative 12. So that's the answer to that one. Okay, let's look at
Mm.
the next two questions before I ask you to write anything down. Oh wait, they said the next two questions. Okay, hope you're getting it.
Mm.
Hope you're getting the explanation.
Yes.
Okay, let's look at the next one. 7 times 10 is what? 70. 7 times
20.
negative 2, that's negative 14. Negative 2 times 9 is what? Negative 18. And negative 2 times 3t, that's negative 60. So we can say 70t minus 6t minus 14 minus 18. So what do we have? Let's see. We have 70 minus 6. That's what?
Uh, that's 64t. Negative.
64t. Yeah.
No.
It's positive because 70 is positive, right?
Oh, yeah.
So then we have negative 14, negative 18 will give us what? They are both negatives, so you just add them together. What is 14 plus 18?
42.
32,
Actually, no.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now this is this one, and well, let me see the next one. 8 times 3h, that's 24h, right?
Yeah.
Then 8 times negative 4 is negative 32, right? Then
Yeah.
minus 6 times h, minus 6h. Then minus 6 times 5 is minus 30. So we can say this is 24h minus 6h minus 32, then minus 30, okay?
Okay.
So what is 24 minus 6?
Oh, that's 18
18h.
H.
18h, then let me write that again. Minus
Mm,
32 minus 30 is what? Minus 62.
62.
Okay, then I think you should put down these ones first before we move on, okay?
Okay.
All right, viewers, will continue shortly. Can you hear me now? You're muted.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, now we want to look at which topic are you doing currently in school? I learned you have resumed or something.
Um, uh, but let me see. Trying to remember. Mm, we haven't really started math.
Okay, it's
Like, not
because
exact. Like, we've been doing math, but it's not like,
a new topic or something.
yeah.
No problem. The moment you start, you let me know. So this one quickly, 7 times 11 is 77, then y. And 7 times 2 is 14. Then this is minus 12y. Minus times minus is plus, so that is 48. Then we have 77y minus 12y plus 14 plus 48. Or the 77 minus 12. That'll be 65.
65.
Then plus 14 plus 48 is what? It's 58 plus 4, that's 62. So that's the answer to that one. And the second one, we have 2j minus no 2 times 4, that's 8. So we have 8j minus 2 times 7, that's minus 14 here. Then 5 times 4, that is 20j, and 5 times 7 is 35. So we combine them and we have 8j plus 20j minus 14 plus 35. So 8 plus 20 is 28j. Then take 14 away from 35. What do you have? That'll be 21. Okay.
Okay.
So, and the last two examples, we have, the last two questions, we have this one. Okay, let me see. So we have 6 times 2, that is 12. 12a plus 12, then plus 3a plus 12 again, then plus 13a. So we had all the a's together, 12a plus 3a plus 13a, then plus 12 plus 12. So 12 plus 13 is 25, then 5 plus 3 is 28a, then plus 24. And the last one we have 3b minus 24 plus 9b minus 54, plus 54 rather, then minus 2b. So this is 3b plus 9b minus 2b minus 24 plus 54, okay?
Okay.
So what do we have here? What is 3b plus 9b minus 2b?
Uh, that's 90.
No. 3b plus 9b minus 2b is what?
Mm, that. Uh, 10b.
10b. So minus 24 plus 54 is what?
Uh, that's 78.
No, don't add them.
Neg-
One of them is negative, one of them is positive. Don't add.
no, 30.
30. Correct. Okay, put down the four solutions.
Okay.
All right, viewers. That is we're gonna round up for today. You can subscribe to this channel for updates on our future videos. That'll be it for now. I say goodbye.